So in a few months, I mean, from September to now, those kind of tensions, the fights over the budgets, I mean, only if our politicians could understand the impact their actions are having. What does this mean? What could it mean from the study that you've seen, the responses you're saying in terms of the future of the GNU, for example? I mean, we still have another 4 years to go before the 2029 elections. Is there any indicator that you're seeing that can say it can regain public trust?
You know, there is also 40% of South Africans who do believe in the GNU. There is some faith we saw in this last wave that we've just done. So, and we're also seeing that they're calling for this collaboration at a local level. So that is positive. They do believe in the GNU. We can see that they're not anti-GNU, but they're pro-service delivery. They want a better outcome at the end of the day.
And they think at the local level, the collaboration that they're seeing in other parts can be the solution.
Yes, definitely. That's what they're seeing, you know. At the end of the day, what matters most to South Africans, how they affect the daily. When they wake up in the morning, do they have electricity? Is the water running? Are there potholes on the road on the way to work? Are the robots on? So those are really key factors.
Yeah, I saw a quote the other day by a global leadership guru who said collaboration is the new leadership. So if you don't work together, you can't lead people in the right direction. It's very interesting that we South Africans feel like it's important, especially at the local level, for the services. I mean, if the 40% of us still value GNU, what could it be telling us? I mean, is it a situation of politics? Is it a situation just of delivery? Or is it just we're hoping that finally we can get better government?
I think we remain hopeful. You know, South Africans, we are hopeful people. We've seen that since 1994. And it's critical just for parties to put their differences aside for the interests of South Africans. We've even seen that parties who are anti-GNU, such as the EFF, MKP, their voter base is even calling for collaboration at a voter level. So it's really time for these parties to listen to what South Africans are saying.
Yeah, I mean, we're showing our viewers one of the findings. There's an infographic was showing that parties support his views on cross-party collaboration. So it's not just one particular party.